Okay, here's my problem. Um, just watch. So my transmitter and receiver seem to be off. Whenever I give a little bit of throttle, you'll notice that it almost goes really fast. It's not a smooth start. And if you look at the values in Betaflight, you'll see that 4 tries to speed up a lot and the other ones do not. And you can see I killed it there, but it took a second to actually shut off. See that? And that's a big problem. However, if I control it through Betaflight with the master, it operates very smoothly. Exactly how you would intend it to. So that leads me to believe that it's not the ESCs, and that it's a transmitter and receiver problem. I'm using a FlySky, and I'm using the version 2 of the FSA8 or something like that. So any help would be greatly appreciated. I really want to get this thing flying.